Overnight oats for weight loss, a gentle yet powerful start to your wellness journey. Let's start. A quiet struggle. Too many women face. It's 7 a.m. and the alarm goes off again. You hit snooze, not because you're lazy, but because you're tired. Tired of trying to eat healthy, tired of the constant cycle of dieting, and tired of not seeing results despite your best efforts. Sound familiar? For many women, weight loss isn't just about looking a certain way. It's deeply emotional. It's about fitting into clothes that once made you feel confident. It's about feeling light on your feet, strong in your body, and peaceful in your mind. But in the rush of daily life, juggling careers, relationships, and personal battles, healthy eating often takes a back seat. What if I told you that something as simple as a jar of oats could be your small, powerful step toward change? Understanding the root causes, why weight loss feels so hard. Before we dive into the magic of overnight oats, let's pause and understand why weight loss often feels like a losing battle. 1. Inconsistent meals. Skipping meals or eating at irregular times confuses your metabolism and leads to overeating later. 2. Sugar cravings. Processed foods and sugary snacks spike your insulin levels, making your body store fat. 3. Lack of satiety. Eating foods that don't fill you up leaves you snacking all day. 4. Emotional eating. Stress, sadness, or even boredom can trigger overeating, often of the worst kinds of food. And 5. Time pressure. When life gets busy, grabbing something quick and unhealthy feels easier than preparing a meal. Now here's where overnight oats come in, a nourishing, science-backed, and incredibly easy option to break that cycle. So what are overnight oats, and why do they work for weight loss? Overnight oats are raw oats soaked in milk or plant-based alternatives overnight. By morning, they become soft, creamy, and ready to eat, no cooking needed. Here's why they're great for weight loss. They are high in fiber. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that promotes satiety and helps regulate blood sugar. They are low in calories but high in volume. You can eat a satisfying portion without consuming too many calories. They boost metabolism. Fiber and protein together keep your metabolism active, and they reduce cravings. When your body is nourished, it stops begging for junk food. It's a make-ahead meal that supports weight loss without the stress. How to make the perfect weight loss overnight oats. You don't need fancy ingredients. A simple base recipe can go a long way. Base recipe: half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, which is optional but helpful for blood sugar control, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, also optional. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a mason jar or container. Refrigerate overnight, at least 4 to 5 hours. Top with fruits or nuts in the morning if desired. Pro tip: use a 1-to-1 ratio of oats to liquid for a perfect texture. Want it creamier? Add Greek yogurt or mashed banana. Best add-ins for fat burning and fullness. Your toppings can transform your oats from just breakfast to a complete weight loss friendly meal. Try these nutritious add-ins: berries, low in sugar and packed with antioxidants. Nuts and seeds like almonds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds offer healthy fats and protein. Protein boosters, such as a scoop of plant-based protein powder or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and turmeric can reduce inflammation and balance blood sugar. Avoid sugary granola, chocolate chips, and heavy cream, which can add unnecessary calories. Easy overnight oats recipes for weight loss. Here are a few tried and tested combos to keep your mornings exciting. Apple Cinnamon Delight Base Oats recipe with chopped apples, cinnamon, and walnuts. Berry Blast Base Oats recipe with blueberries, chia seeds, and Greek yogurt. Tropical Glow Base Oats with mango chunks, shredded coconut, and flax seeds. Chocolate Banana Power Base Oats with mashed banana, cocoa powder, and natural peanut butter. Each of these options is rich in fiber, protein, and nutrients that support fat loss and energy. How to make overnight oats a consistent habit. Consistency is key to seeing real results. Here's how to stick with it. Meal prep Sundays. Make 3 to 4 jars in one go to save time. Flavor variety. Rotate fruits and add-ins to prevent boredom. Portable and mess-free grab and go. Perfect for busy mornings or office snacks. Include in your routine. Have them after your morning walk or yoga session. Remember, the easier it is to access healthy food, the more likely you are to choose it. A gentle reminder, listen to your body. Weight loss isn't about starving or stressing, it's about nourishing and listening. Overnight oats are not a magic bullet, but they're a gentle, healing way to start showing love to your body again. They give you control, consistency, and care, all of which are essential for sustainable wellness. If you ever feel overwhelmed, come back to this simple step. Prep your oats, nourish your body, and repeat. Closing thoughts. Your first step towards change. You don't need to wait for Monday. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. You can take the first step today, tonight even, by preparing a small jar of overnight oats. Let this be more than a meal. Let it be a symbol of your choice to care for yourself in the simplest, most loving way possible. You are worthy of health, joy, and a body that feels like home. Start with oats. Start with you. Ready to begin? Choose a recipe above and make your jar tonight. Your wellness journey awaits. New viewers, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.